let's talk about a fear many of us have quietly whispered to ourselves. AI is coming for our jobs. That the writing we've honed over years, the creativity we pride ourselves on, will eventually be replaced by machine. We see headlines promising that AI can write better, faster, and cheaper than a human being, and it's easy to believe that it's a replacement or a kind of digital trebuchet for our careers. This belief, this idea that it's a zero sum game, is what's holding so many brilliant entrepreneurs and creators back because they think they have two options: either refuse to use AI entirely and fall behind, or blindly copy AI generated text only to find that it sounds, whoa, I apologize, robotic and alienates their audience. Both of these paths lead to the same result: frustration, inefficiency, and missed opportunities. But what if both of those beliefs are wrong? What if AI isn't here to replace you, but to empower you? What if the future of content creation isn't human or AI, but a seamless, powerful partnership between the two? This is the core of what I want to talk about today: shifting the belief that AI is a replacement for humans and embracing the fact that it is a tool for synergy. First, let's address the illusion that AI alone is the answer. Have you ever read an article or post that just felt flat? The words were correct, the grammar was perfect, but it lacked a certain spark. It probably came from an AI model that was used without any human refinement. Here's the thing: basic AI models are trained on patterns in existing data. This means they often repeat common phrases, which leads to content that sounds generic and uninspired. It struggles with originality, genuine insights, and most importantly, brand voice. Without a human to guide it, here, there, AI generated content can feel cold, impersonal, and disconnected from your brand's identity. It can generate words, but it can't create emotion or compelling story that moves someone to act. Think about the difference between a sales page written by a human and one generated entirely by a basic AI. The AI version might list all the features and industry buzzwords, but it won't tell the emotion driven story that persuades a potential buyer. Words alone don't equal conversions. And let's not forget about the accuracy. Many AI tools aren't connected to real time internet, so they can hallucinate. They can make up false information, recommend outdated strategies, or misinterpret data. This creates a huge risk for your brand's authority and credibility. So, if AI is only a dead end, what is the better way? It lies in a hybrid system. This combines AI efficiency with your creativity, solving the problems of speed and quality without sacrificing engagement. So here's your new job. Your new job is to be a strategic editor. You leverage AI's incredible power to handle all the tedious, repetitive tasks that cause burnout, researching trends, creating outlines, drafting rough revisions, and even repurposing your long form content into smaller pieces. Imagine cutting the time, snip, 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 that it takes to create a blog post from hours to just minutes. Then you come in with the most important part of the equation, your human touch. Your role is to refine those drafts, injecting your unique brand voice and storytelling. You add the emotional depth, the persuasive hooks, and the authentic anecdotes that only you can provide. This is where the magic happens. You become a creative director for the content, guiding the AI to produce the results that are brand aligned and emotionally resonant. This isn't about working harder, but rather see it as a way to work smarter. By offloading the groundwork to AI, you free up your time to focus on the high level, strategic tasks that truly drive your business forward. This could be engaging with your audience, building your community, or developing new game changing ideas. Woo-hoo! The belief that AI is a replacement is a leftover from a past way of thinking. Here's the truth. Although AI is an incredibly powerful tool, it requires your strategic oversight and human refinement to be effective. Your creativity, your unique experiences, and your ability to connect with an audience on an emotional level are things AI currently can't replicate. Those are your unique advantages. The key is to optimize AI's output so it requires minimal manual intervention, allowing you to focus on authenticity and engagement. So here's the solution: quit seeing AI as your rival and start seeing it as your most powerful sidekick. Or should I say, your personal computerized genie. When you combine your computerized genie's speed and scalability with your creativity and your strategic vision, you'll not only create better content faster, but you'll also build a business that is more authentic, more engaging, and more successful than ever before. Hope you like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Woo!